Hi everyone, my name is Pratheerth Padman and welcome to my Microsoft Excel course, Calculating Cell Values with Formulas. Currently, I'm a freelance data scientist. I used to work in manufacturing, but because of my love for all things data, I completely pivoted to data science. The power and capabilities of Microsoft Excel stem primarily from the things it can do with functions and formulas. As such, learning how to implement, debug, and monitor them becomes an invaluable skill. Helping you through that particular maze is what this course aims to do. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include aggregate, logical, and statistical functions, referencing and serializing date and time, looking up data in Excel using the VLOOKUP and index match functions, and monitoring, validating, and debugging cells and formulas. By the end of this course, you'll know how to implement and troubleshoot a variety of functions across different topics in Microsoft Excel. There are two prerequisites for this course. First would be a basic understanding of Microsoft Excel's interface. And secondly, some familiarity with how formulas and functions work in Excel would be very helpful. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn all about implementing and troubleshooting functions and formulas in Microsoft Excel with the Calculating Cell Values with Formulas course at Pluralsight.